Good morning, guys. Just as I was about to start the camera, Mike was like, you're filming a drowned rat, but I'm not gonna lie, I look like a drowned rat as well right now. I've just got out of the shower. I wanted to do a daily vlog today. I've been getting so many comments from you guys saying, can you vlog more at home? So that is what I'm doing. The reason why I've stopped vlogging so much at home is mainly because of little Squirt that's looking at me from up on the floor now.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Because it's just manic. Like, looking after her is manic, and she's just started crawling last week, so it's about to get a whole lot more manic. I also wanted to vlog today because I am doing a collaboration with TK Maxx. So this vlog is actually sponsored. However, it's a charity campaign, so I'm giving 100% of my fee back to charity, and I'm really excited about it. It's their Give Up Clothes for Good campaign. So basically, I'm gonna have a rummage through my wardrobe today, which is another thing I've been getting a lot of requests to do, is to do like a wardrobe clear out. I'm not gonna do a full wardrobe clear out because that would be long, but I'm gonna have a little rummage through my wardrobe, show you the process, and I am gonna be giving up some of my clothes, taking them into TK Maxx, where they turn them into cash for Cancer Research UK. And it's especially amazing because it's for the kids and teens kind of division of that. So it's helping kids with cancer. I mean, there couldn't really be a better cause there. Like, very sad to talk about, isn't it? But doing something positive to help. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I am heading off to the gym first, hopefully going to dry my hair. Now Mike's back. Mike's been on a run. Say hi.
Hello, I got wet.
The creeper in the corner. I mean, we both look fantastic this morning. Hopefully I'm going to dry my hair, head to the gym, and then I've got video to film as well, and all sorts of bits and bobs. Our friend Kelly is also staying. She's upstairs, so you might see her. That is today. Let's do this.
Squirt, hey?
Porridge for me, porridge for River. Gone are the days of making porridge on the stovetop. Instant porridge it is, and also I'm aware this is way too much porridge for River. She is not gonna eat all of it. She's hungry. My hand slipped and I like poured half the bag into the bowl. So now she has porridge for 3 babies. Right, I think she's hungry. I better go and feed her. Okay, so this is my wardrobe. It's actually not too messy. There's a few bits and bobs at the bottom. This is where I keep all my dresses. And as you can see, like, our wardrobes are crazy. They're like old, very, very old. We're in the process as well of redoing our bedroom, so it's a little bit of a mess. But I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna stick to dresses because otherwise I would be here all day cleaning out my wardrobe. So I'm gonna go through my dresses and I'm gonna pick out some things that I don't wear anymore. I think my general rule is if I haven't worn it in like 2 years, then it needs to go. Because there are some dresses here, like, I know this one for a start. Mind you, I haven't worn that in 2 years, but I love it. Some of them are kind of sentimental. So I've had that maybe for 6 years, probably. Some of them are very, very old. So let's do this. Let's have a little look, and then I'll show you what I've picked out. Okay, so I've had my little clear out and I've got a pile of dresses ready to donate. The first one is this little pink kind of like tuxedo number. I haven't actually had that for this long, probably a couple of years, but I've only ever worn it once. I find it's one of those things that's quite hard to wear, and the colour is very me, but the actual like cut is not, so I haven't really worn it very much. So that it's actually really nice. I think if that's your style, it would be a really good find. The second one is one that I had a few summers ago, turquoise. Again, I've worn this like once. This was actually quite expensive as well, and I don't know, something about it, I just didn't ever wear it very much. So that is going. Also got this little denim number. Again, it's not too old, but something about the cut of it, I don't know why I kept it because I ordered it online and I could have sent it back, but something about the cut of it is quite unflattering on my shoulders, and it just didn't really suit me. It made my shoulders look quite broad, so I think I've probably worn that once or twice. So that's going. I then also have a little short sleeve denim dress that is like a stretchy denim material, again one that I don't wear very much, so that is going. I've also got this little white one which I do love, but it's a bit too short for me. It's really pretty. It's like black and white. A lot of this stuff you guys might recognize from haul videos as well, actually. It's like a black and white dress with a star print. Can you see that? It's missing the slip, but I'm sure whoever gets it can put a slip underneath it. And it's got like black beading detail like on the cuffs and stuff, so that's going. What else have we got? Oh my god, this I've never actually worn. It's like an open shirt sleeveless kind of shirt dress thing. I actually bought this when I was in Vegas. Again, must have been like 2.5, probably 3 years ago. Yeah, that's going. It would kind of be a good beach one, but not for me. Oh my god, this dress, which I wore loads, it's kind of like a bit of a 60s vibe, like it's got the monochrome and then the floral behind it. A play suit. I bought this in LA probably 3 years ago. It's actually, that's the back. It ties up at the front. It has like a, let's do it up, let's do it up. So yeah, this is the little play suit. I actually think this is kind of cute, but it's like a cutout thing, which is not my vibe. I love the print though. So that is going into the bag. This dress, which is, I think, from my winter lookbook 3 years ago. It's like a drop waist, asymmetrical hem, little like t-shirts, sleeves, high neck dress with these star brooches on it. I wore this, if you guys remember, I think it was like Christmas or winter lookbook 3 years ago. I loved that. I was standing in the middle of Regent Street, but I literally haven't worn that dress again since then, so it could definitely do with a better home. Then this number, which is actually quite old, it's made out of a really funny material, but it's like waisted, it's got a really full skirt, really pretty actually, and then this quite graphic style neckline and little cap sleeves. I've worn that a few times, but not for years, so that's going. And then last but not least, this dress, which I bought in Chicago with my friend Lauren 3 years ago, maybe it's even 4 years ago, I think, and it's actually really nice, but I just haven't, it's quite sport luxe kind of vibe, and I just literally, I've worn it about 2 or 3 times in that amount of time, so that is going too. So that is my little reverse haul that's going back to TK Maxx. I'm going to bag it up, I'm going to go to the gym, and then I'm going to take it into the store later and drop it off. Yeah, let's go to the gym. I tried to go to the gym yesterday, and I just didn't want to do it. You know when you have those days where you're so lacking in energy and motivation, and I just wasn't feeling good. So let's hope it's a bit better today. So gym is done. I'm feeling very tired and sweaty right now. Kelly's in the back actually looking after a little one because she needed entertaining. But we have come to TK Maxx to drop off my bag of goodies. Literally took me like 10, 15 minutes out of my life to do it. So yeah, definitely you guys, if you have the time and if you have spare stuff in your wardrobe that you don't need, head down to your local TK Maxx and you can just drop off your bag of stuff and it goes to a really good cause. Here you go, guys. Lots of other people have done it too. Yay. I've just set everything up to film in a bit of a mad rush because little one's asleep next door and I'm trying to get everything done while she's napping. I'm about to film a full face of first impressions video, so I've sorted my hair out, but not my face yet. I don't know which one's going to be up first, so you'll just have to wait and see, but I've got some really good stuff still in that bag there, which I'm actually really excited to try as well. I also just realised, and I tried to fold it down to make it more practical, but it's just not. I was trying to film a first impressions video with a polo neck on. I'm like, this is just not gonna fly, like applying foundation, no. So I'm gonna get changed, gonna get filming, and then my friend Hannah is coming round for a little play date with her little boy, which is really nice because Bugs doesn't have that many like little baby friends. So yeah, gonna get filming, and then hopefully, I've got an hour. Hopefully I'll get it finished. Filming is done. What do you guys think? Do you like my makeup? Looking a little bit more put together this afternoon than I did this morning. It's 3:27, perfect timing. My friend's supposed to be coming round at 3:30, so I literally finished in the nick of time. I'm just gonna wash my hands and take my lipstick off so I can kiss my baby. I don't wear coloured lipstick when I'm at home anymore because I just want to kiss her all the time. Is that normal? Hello guys.
Good evening.
A little bit later now.
Somewhat later.
My friend Hannah came over and then
left a delightful lemon drizzle.
She actually did leave a delightful lemon drizzle cake, which you're gonna eat.
Be having for supper.
Then we've just had some badly behaved dogs that we're having to take care of, and just everything has been manic, trying to get Bugs to sleep and all of that jazz. But it's now, I know you missed her. I did tell her, I was like, Daddy won't be happy when if you go to sleep now. But she hasn't. I think you'll be seeing her again tonight because she wouldn't have her milk. She was so tired.
You'll be seeing her again tonight.
No.
As it's your night.
No, before we go to bed. It only counts overnight when it's my night. Kelly's still here as well. Sorry indeed. She just walked in the room and was like, sorry.
With a nice new hairdo actually, in fact.
I know.
Very pretty.
Can I show everyone your hair? Are you going to show it off? Here's Kelly's new hair, guys. Dun, da, da, da.
Blonde again.
Super blonde.
What grays, man, what grays.
So,
What a grace.
What?
Who has those?
I don't know anyone who has grey hair.
No.
I mean, what are you talking about? So now Mike is cooking some dinner. What have you got going on?
So I have to also. Well, I don't really know. I'm basically guessing because your mum
lost the recipe
I
card.
lost it. Your mum threw away the recipe card. That's why.
Mum was here when we got the food delivery from HelloFresh this week, and she put the recipe cards in the bin.
The other thing that was a drama that happened late last night that was quite entertaining is I thought for the last 2 days I haven't been able to find one of the cats since your mum came to stay. I was like, your mum's dog is
eating the cat.
It's eaten off, it's run away, it's got run over. Might have been shouting outside and opened a stable and there was said
stuck
cat.
in the stable.
I mean, surprisingly well fed. I'm guessing there were mice in there.
Yeah.
Definitely mice.
Considering she hadn't had any food in 2 days. Anyway, what are you cooking tonight? Chicken noodles?
Crispy chicken noodles kind of
sounds
dish.
delicious.
I mean, I wanted the meatballs, but I suppose on the basis that we had spag bol last night, probably rushed out meatballs twice.
Yeah, no. Chicken is good. Chicken is good.
Chicken is good. Well, I'll get chefing. You can get...
I'll just chill out.
You can get ready to feed us.
I need to do some editing.
Gin o'clock, hey?
It's times like these when I love my husband just a little bit more when he cooks me dinner. Having post-dinner snuggles with my little squidgy bear.
Had her ears brushed and everything.
She is the most cuddly bear. Definitely getting a cold as well, guys.
Oh, you said
I
that
am,
like
I've been
every vlog.
sneezing.
Every vlog you're like, oh, I'm getting a cold. I'm so good.
Well, maybe I caught it from you.
I haven't had any colds.
That's going to be it for today's vlog. Thanks for joining, as per usual. And we will see you guys again very soon.
Indeed, we shall.
Bye. Oh, and goodbye from the least loyal member of the team who sat there cuddling with Kelly, Piglet. No loyalty at all. She's having a great time. Pig! What you doing, man?